Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to Crafting at the Lake House. These are the projects I created for the attendees at my in-person annual event, and I'm sharing them with you here on my YouTube channel and blog. This is card number 7. I have a couple of products that I'm using, mainly dies, the Alphabet Alamo dies and the Snowflake Kisses dies, as well as these iridescent treat bags. Hopefully you got some for Halloween. So what I did was I used an adhesive sheet on a piece of card, basic white thick card, and then I stuck the bag to it, like only one side of the bag, and I made a little square so that you can use the snowflake and die cut the snowflake out. So these two pieces of basic white thick have adhesive sheet on the back, and I'm going to die cut the J and the Y. We're going to spell joy. Some of the attendees had some silver foil that they used instead of the white card, and I thought of that. I just didn't have any silver foil enough to share with the group, so it was just we had to use white. So this is basic white cardstock. This is 4 3/4 by 3 1/2, and then I put it on a Coastal Cabana 5 by 3 3/4. Coastal Cabana for a Christmas card, right? Like, I'm non-traditional with the colors of Christmas, but I really did like this card design. I like simplicity and I like wow. So I really like that iridescent treat bag to be used as a focal. So that is a basic white thick card base, 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. I use a dimensional and I adhere that directly, the snowflake, directly to the center of the card. Then, and you can see how like it really does shine and shimmer, and it almost looks pink. And gotta say, I love my pink Christmas cards. So I'm removing the release paper on the back of the letters, the J and the Y, and I will adhere them to the card base. Now, I didn't mention this in the directions, but we used Wink of Stella actually to coat the J and the Y so that the basic white stood out just a little bit. And I have to say that, I mean, other than a very plain card, this does have wow factor. I like it. I like clean and simple cards. So it's to my preference, but I did like the idea of having silver for the J and the Y, but the Wink of Stella really helped with the white standing against the white. I got to say it was a nice little addition, but I don't show that here in the video, but we did do it. Oh, and then of course we have a druzy adhesive backed embellishment for the center of that snowflake, and that is my card for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave me some lovely comments, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.